Hello and hi everyone. With the launch of this Mindful Teen program, I'm also going to answer the questions of the parents of teenage children and also the questions of teenage children about the teenage stress they are undergoing, the adolescent issues that they are undergoing, the bodily, mental, and the hormonal changes, the different kinds of stress, teenage love, romance, and relationship issues, parenting issues, and all that, both for the parents and for the teenagers. So I'm super excited for this program. And one of the first thing that I would like to address for today is like many parents had a complaint like many children had a complaint like ma'am, the father is continuously been asking me to be more open, study well, cut down your digital time, screen time. This is what every parents does, I agree. And the parents also was keep on complaining that they keep themselves maximum away inside the room and they don't come outside and all that. So once what happens is, till the time this child was 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old and all that, even without dress, when the child was walking, we were so happy looking at the first and the second step the child was struggling to take, and the legs were shivering to stand properly, and entire family was clapping hands and appreciating for the first step of the child. But once when it attained the puberty, that is on the teenage, when it started after 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years and all that, when the bodily organs are also starting to grow in a faster manner, the parents had started having so much of fear, not because the child is not beautiful or we don't want to appreciate the child, but because we are so afraid of the viewpoint in which others will look at the child. For us it is a child, for others it is a teen girl or a teen son. So that was the only fear every parent does. But as a parent, one important as a for parents, one important advice that I would tell is, every parent has this problem, and everybody, why do we have this problem? Because we look the world in our own eyes. We, for any perception, for finance, for money, for relationship, for career, for whatever issues that we have in our family, everything in this world is because we see the world as we are. And might be because of the adolescent issues that we have faced in our teenage, and might be because of all those problems that probably other children landed up in those age. It is because through that viewpoint, and we wanted to protect the child from all those possibilities of mistakes that could happen, we protect and protect, and we never ever try to listen to the child. So the one thing is, start seeing the world from their perspective. This is the first and the foremost thing to be done, so that 80% or 90% of the issues already solved. They are talking from their perspective. 25 years back when you were a teenager, or 30 years back when you were a teenager, there were no WhatsApp at all. There were no digital medium at all. Probably we were sitting in some hard browsing centers where BSNL connection was there, and it took a very long time for the connection to get connected. So it was only the purpose, and we need to give a lot of money for that browsing also. So it was a very hard way. But now we have the entire world in our hands, and so things are becoming so easy for children. But we still look at the way as we were looking at the world. So we need to be more and more getting ourselves educated with the highest of technology, so that we are still in the teaching mode for children, rather than once when we feel below their thing in terms of our competencies, definitely this fear will come. And all these are artificial fears, which because we are not able to rightly address this issue. So become more of a friend rather than being as a parent, so that your teen becomes more and more open to you in terms of all the thing, in terms of the girlfriends they have, in terms of the boyfriends they have, in terms of the programs they are attending, in terms of the videos they are watching, everything. So become more and more open to your child in such a way everything is shared, for which the only thing is you need to start to listen rather than starting to preach. So let's end up with this tip today. I'll be getting in touch with you with more and more parenting and more teenage issues for the children and for the parents as well. So stay connected. Bye bye. Take care.